Welcome to Qubes. From the login page, enter your email and password and log in to the Qubes interface. On your first login, you'll be taken to a page where you will decide whether you would like to manually upload licenses or upload them via a spreadsheet. By clicking on this option, will bring you straight to the data upload page. This allows you to upload licenses in two distinct ways. The first way, and much quicker, is by uploading a formatted spreadsheet. The second allows you to send us your unformatted data, in which you can expect a 24 to 48 hour turnaround for us to get your data live into the system. For the first option, please download our template if you have not already done so. Transfer your data into the appropriate columns and save your work. Then, it's as simple as clicking the Browse button, finding your file, and hitting Upload. Once your data is in the system, you'll be transferred to the home screen. This page features a clean-looking interface which allows you to search your licenses or companies that you work with and will take you directly to the licenses that you have with those particular products or companies. You'll also see there are 4 predefined filters in the form of cubes, which will allow you to go directly to those licenses within those specific cubes. This dashboard allows you to see how many licenses you have past due, which ones are due in the current month, what's happening next month, and the last cube shows how many licenses are in the system. You also have the ability to add licenses one by one from the screen by selecting the plus icon. For website navigation, the left-hand nav bar shows you 3 sections of the application: the current home screen, the licenses page, as well as the reports page. If you navigate to the licenses page, you'll see somewhat of a familiar interface. The central ledger displays all of your licenses and vendors, complete with the start and end date of that term, as well as the type of license and how you process the payment. It also shows you the status of that license and whether it's currently active or expired. If your expiration date hasn't been reached but you have renewed early, it will put the license into a pending status. The ellipses on the far right let you manage licenses directly from this view. Default alerting is built into Qubes. This application will automatically send out a weekly 30-day rolling notification, meaning that anything coming due within 30 days will be sent out once a week via email to the recipients of your choice, so you know exactly what's coming up. Every license is subject to this. You'll also see 3 options on the top right-hand corner: a bell icon, a plus icon, and a filter icon. The bell icon allows you to create a custom alert on an individual license or a group of licenses. This will be in addition to the 30-day alert, but will allow you to select other criteria related to that license, perhaps a longer notification time, for example. Setting group alerts is easy. To do this, simply filter the licenses you want by clicking the filter button. Select your criteria. Click on the bell icon. Select the licenses. Add the alert. And save. The custom alert is now assigned to these 2 licenses. If we navigate over to the reports page, we're going to see a visual representation of our data. You'll notice the default cubes that were on your home page are replicated in this section. There is also a pencil icon which allows you to edit and manage these cubes. If you were to click on this, you have the ability to add a custom cube to your interface, which will stick and save to your profile. Moving down the page, you'll see a term length dashboard, a visual chart of your expiration date on what's coming up over the course of the next year. You can filter on the months to show exactly what is due within that current month. You also have the ability to edit, renew, and create different alerts on those specific licenses, as well as adding documents that may pertain to those licenses. Scrolling down further, we will see some charts which shows your licenses by various categories in a graphical form. These graphs are interactive, so by clicking on different segments will give you additional information. For account management, you'll want to go to the settings, which you can get to by clicking your name and selecting it from the drop-down. If you notice, there is a place to upload data also. Here in the settings, you can customize preferences, organizational information, as well as set your default alert, date and time. Your security and user information are here as well. The user section is an important account management feature. It allows you to give role-level access to a variety of users within your organization, depending on what department they're in. Perhaps you would like a certain individual to have access to a subsection of those licenses, and you can create these role profiles in this section that will create those standards. So that concludes the basic intro tutorial for how to use Qube's license management. We hope you enjoy using our application. We built it specifically for ease of use. Our link to our website is in the video description. Come sign up and get started with license management today. Let us know in the comments any suggestions you may have.